Dear students, now next is successor and predecessor of a number. Successor is what? You need to add 1 to given number to get its successor. It means you need to add the number that is plus 1. For example, here number is given and you need to find its successor. What you need to do? You need to add 1 to this number. You will find its successor. Right? Here the numbers are 63,48,103 and for this number you need to find the successor. What I have done, I have added 1 to this number and I have found this successor of this number, that is 63,48,104. Now next is predecessor. Predecessor is what? That you need to subtract 1 to given number to get its predecessor. If you need to find the predecessor of a given number, then you need to subtract 1 from the number. For example, here the number is 8,19,346 and you need to find the predecessor of this number. You need to subtract 1 from this number. You will find the predecessor of this number. Here the number is 8,19,346. What I have done, I have subtracted 1 from this number and I got the predecessor of the given number, that is 8,19,345. Right? Now next is forming the greatest and smallest number. Forming the greatest and smallest number. Right? Here two cases are there. If you need to form the greatest and the smallest number from the given digits, two cases are there. When first case is when name of the given digits is when none of the given digit is 0. In this case, we arrange the given digits in ascending order to get the smallest number and descending order to get the greatest number. So I will clear with the help of an example. For example, some digits are given here, that is 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 9 and 1. What you need to do? You need to find the greatest number using these digits and smallest number again using these digits. So greatest number, how you need to find? First of all, you will write again greatest number. It starts from 9, then 8, then 7, then 5, 3, 2, 1. That number is 98,75,321. And you need to find the smallest number using these digits also. Then you need to write in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. The number formed is 12,35,789. Right? This was the first case. Now, dear students, in the second case, when one of the digit is 0. If one digit is 0, then what we need to do? How we need to find the smallest and greatest number? Smallest number. We need to put 0 in second place from the left and remaining digits in the ascending order. And greatest number, again it is to be arranged in descending order. For example, the digits are 3, 9, 0, 7, 6, 5 and 2. You need to form the smallest and greatest number using these digits. Right? So how you need to find the smallest number? So first of all, smallest number is 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. Students, is this right? No, this is wrong. Because you need to find, you have to use these digits, that is 7 digits are there. But if you are using 0 here, it will become 6 digit here because it has no value now. So what we need to do? We need to interchange the place of 0 and the next number. So the number is 20. We need to interchange this. 0 will come in second place. So in this way you need to arrange the smallest number and greatest number, that is same starting from the greatest digit. So dear students, I hope it is clear to you.